Is your external component the Ucaddin Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Microsoft Lync links. Before diving into the manual fix for Ucaddin Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Ucaddin Library, the Unified Communications (UC) add-in for Microsoft Outlook. It facilitates the unmanaged integration of Skype for Business and Lync features, such as Start Meeting and Present Status, directly into the Outlook ribbon. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Ucaddin is a key part of the Microsoft/Lync runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Microsoft/Lync will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ucaddin library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Ucaddin Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Ucaddin library environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Ucaddin library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.